for today, I will teach you how can we use the new section in ROBLOX Studio. Just the word is or the server is loading the texture, all of the objects inside. The view section is advanced tools that you can use for, let's say, you build a flag. So you want to create a wind direction where the flag will blow. As for here, these are the different way to see where you can either use a manager or managing that can manage, and the properties of the objects, and explorer that will list all of the objects properties, or the list all of the objects script and what can they do, and the property, what is the description or the properties of objects. So full screen is just by giving the full screen here, the screen here as a full screen where we can see how we can use to navigate. The screenshot as its name will take the screenshot of the server. Don't worry, it's already saved in the laptop. Video recorded, that will record a video of the video record of the server or the world that you are working on. As for here in the show grid, just gonna show you the grid of the map, or grid of the object, grid material, and wireframe rendering. As you can see, the wireframe rendering just show you the different wireframe, that the grid show you the grid of the objects, and the show grid is on the map itself. As for the switch windows, vertically show you the different worlds or different server that you want, and switch and selection style, that bounding box and outline. And this just showed you the stats of the game, the network, the render distance, the summary of what can the game, how many storage that it takes, and the physics. And the plugin part is more advanced because it's more likely on edit and plugging some the object. You learn something today, and that's